Hello my friends, and welcome to MB Shoedoc Review Series, where we will explore the world of quality shoes for men. We will cover general shoe care and knowledge, review the brands you love, and introduce you to brands that you've never heard of. So get yourself ready, and let's dive right into today's unboxing video. Alright my friends, got a new unboxing video. So this is Timberlee brand, previously known as Hephaestus. So I have done some unboxing of these shoes, but not since they've kind of changed the brand name, changed a few things up in different styles. So here we can see this is a Adelaide, plain toe Adelaide, and 41 size, 2M last. So Thanh, same maker of Hephaestus, but now he's got his new Timberlee brand. So let's check these out. Interesting box, never seen this before with the ribbon like that. So let's check it out. Ooh, very nice, some extra laces. Love the packaging here, the way they get this set up. A little bag there. All right, these come in individual bags. I always love that. It's kind of a, it feels pretty good. It's a heavy, more canvas type material. And let's take a look at these. Oh, what a stunningly beautiful shoe. Wow. Thanh absolutely killed it with these. So cool. So this is a unique model that he does, this Adelaide with this almost diamond tip, and look how he carries that kind of design into the toe tip there. Really cool, and adds in the toe plate to match it. Wow, wow, wow. Look at the details on this. The fiddleback sole, and then the scalloped heel. I forget what this is called, but it's not just a typical, well, even a tapered heel is not super typical, but you'll see it from time to time. But this actually has a curve to it. It's like a scalloped heel as well. Absolutely beautiful. So many design details in this. Really cool leather. It's almost like between a gray and a brown. It's almost like a smoky brown color. I love it. And then hand-dyed Croc leather here at the top, and again kind of a taupe gray. Really, really cool. All right, last few details on these Timberlee shoes. So I found out that these are on French calf, full-grain calf leather crust. It's hand-dyed patina, crust, crocodile leather, and just the name of some of these things. So this is a fiddleback waist, a Monroe heel. He calls it an S-curve Monroe heel. And he calls this a butterfly heel. There might be other names for these things. And just little nice touches, MB, put my initials on it there. And I also found out that these are hand welted, hand lasted, hand stitched. So really everything on this shoe is done by hand, and the retail cost on these would be $600 US. So for something so unique as this, fully handmade, and all these design details for $600, really quite a bargain. So that's Timberlee, made by Thanh, and he is in Vietnam. So definitely a brand worth checking out. I'd reviewed a few shoes from Hephaestus, which was his previous brand, and he's changed it to this, which is a little bit higher end now than what he had before. So hopefully you like this video. So subscribe, share it with your shoe loving friends, and definitely check out Timberlee shoes. He's doing some phenomenal work. See you on the next one.